Solid high-speed roller door, operation demonstration for emergency. The first step is to confirm that the fast shutter door can no longer operate, and there is no jamming caused by external forces. Part 2. Open the protective cover. Turn the power switch counterclockwise to the transverse position. Disconnect the power supply. Step 3. If a vehicle is close to the rolling shutter, confirm the distance between the door panel and the vehicle, and the door panel will not scratch the vehicle when it is raised. Step 4. Insert the pull rod from the top. Turn the key clockwise 45 degrees, automatically pop out the lock tongue, and pull out the key. Step 5. Pull the pull rod downward for about 120 degrees, which is slightly lower than the horizontal position. At this time, the roller shutter will automatically rise and keep rising. The balance spring force of the super door cannot make the door panel fully open, so it is necessary to manually lift the auxiliary door panel to open it in place. Step 6. After the roller shutter is raised, close the release lever upward. Press down the protective lock until the locking tab automatically engages. After the emergency release operation, do not restore the power supply, and report maintenance.